how to cancel your direct debits in your Barclays app. So first of all, just go ahead and log into your account, and once you're there, press on the pay and transfer option, which is found in the bottom and then the very middle. So once you press on that, you're gonna go ahead to the manage your payments. So your direct debit should be over there, so press on that. Once you press on your manage payments, you're gonna go ahead over here to manage direct debits. So once you press on manage direct debits, you're going to have to choose an account. So if you have multiple accounts that has direct debits, you're gonna have to choose from those and the one that you want to get rid of a direct debit. So choose your account, and then you'll be able to see this current account, and inside the current account you'll be able to see the direct debits. So just choose whichever direct debit you want to go ahead and get rid of by pressing on the little arrow after the information, and then you'll be able to see information about the direct debit. So you'll be able to see from what account, the last payment date as well, reference, and once you're sure to get rid of this direct debit, just go ahead and press on this, which is delete direct debit, and then that's pretty much it. Just go ahead and press on OK to confirm the deletion of the direct debit. But that's pretty much how you do this process. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.